use the VN570 MS or the FX991 MS. So quickly, let's move straight into the question. We have to correct 1.05859 to 3 decimal places. As simple as that. This is what we do. We move straight to the calculator. We go to mode. Press our mode 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have FIXSCI, then NORM, norm. Now FIX is for solving decimal approximation. So I come to 1, I press my 1. 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means how many decimal places is the question. It's here, 3 decimal places. So I press my 3. Now the calculator is ready to receive the question. 1.05859. Press my equal to sign. There I have it, 1.059. As simple as that. Now I'm done. I need to clear the calculator. Assuming to solve another question which might not probably be under approximation. This is what I do. I go back to the mode. I press mode 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I press the norm, that is the 3. I can press 1 or press 2. So I choose to press 1. I press my AC. Calculator is ready to receive any question under any topic. And let's use the FX991 ES or ES plus or the FX570VN plus. Here we press our shift, we press our mode, we press our 6, that is a fix. The 0 to 9, same thing. How many decimal places? It says 3. Press my 3, type the question. 1.0589. Press my equal to sign. 1.059. As simple as that. Now I need to clear it to use the calculator to solve another topic. Now I just go to my shift, go to my mode, go to 8. So I press 8 here. I either press 1 or press 2. Let me press 2. Press my AC. Calculator is ready to receive any question under any topic. Now, this is what we are supposed to learn. Very simple, very easy. How to use the calculator in solving questions in the math subject, especially in the objective, to save time in the objective. So give us a thumbs up, click on the notification button, give us a like, follow us. We are delving deeper and deeper into more complex issues, more complex topics. So follow us, subscribe to our channel. Till then, catch you on the flip side.